Back and worse. Roscoe was sniffing at you to see if you were anybody he knew. He didn't have to come over here. What are they doing? Hey, your hair is curling a little, the wavy. Not supposed to be. Oh, it was so funny watching PJ grab their tails and pull them back.
Someone's got my shirt.
What are you doing? Oh, this is Danella. You're the girl. Well, you're pooping on it. Oh, you weren't pooping.